So what I'll do is I will go through and I'll trace each of these individual panels and I'll literally stitch them together and drop them on top of the physical map that I made. So you can see that I took all of those individual elements, those individual panels, I tried to make one cohesive tracing out of them, and then I literally just, using the selection tool, I just selected them and drug them and stacked them up where they fit the way that I wanted them to on this physical map that I made of the client's body. And you can see this little plus is the bend of his arm. This little square is the elbow. These two V's are the front and back area of the armpit. This little dot on the top is this bone right here, the end of the kind of clavicle. This is the armpit, the center of the armpit right here. So I knew that these were going to sit right there. And then if you go down here, I have the two bones of the wrist here and here. And so what I'll do, and this is the real trick that I think makes it easy, makes the difference for me, is when I make the stencil, I'll actually stencil all of these little indicators, all of these little guys.